Hello, second grade friends. It's Mr. Keller, your school counselor. Hey, I'm coming to you with a virtual school counseling lesson to talk with you a little bit today about the world of work or careers. You know, when adults go into the world of work, they have training or learning and they get paid to do something. So, here are a few questions to get started. What is a career title? Well, let's see. Books have titles. A career title. We might think of that as the name of a person's career. Can you think of some names of people's career when they go into the world of work? Maybe if you think of Mrs. Bose or Mrs. M, you might think of teacher as a career title. Or Mr. Painter or Mr. Bowermaster, principal or assistant principal. Here's our next question. What is a career role? A career role is what a person does during their workday at their career. I want you to know that those two things, career title and career role, the name of what a person does and what they do, those are things that we'll talk about a little bit in second grade and third grade and fourth grade. We call you a learner. What are you learning here at school? And do you think those things will help you in the future? We're going to have some fun now in our career lesson and do a little activity where we view pictures of adults in the work world. And I want you to try and identify the career title or name of the person's career. Let's try our first picture. Let's look at some clues. This looks like a woman who's at a control panel with lots of gauges and computer screens, and it appears that she has a headset on. There's some other clues too. It looks like whatever she's sitting in has some windows, and it looks to be pretty high off the ground. So what might we call someone whose career involves transportation? Pretty far off the ground. I wonder if you'll be able to write down right here what you think the name or title of her career might be. You can do that now. Now let's take a look at picture number 2. Here we have two people. What do you think the career title or name might be for these two people's careers? Let's take a look at the clues. They both have white lab coats or jackets on, and it looks like they have another tool, maybe around their neck. It looks like they're looking at some important things on a clipboard. And it looks like they're in a room that maybe has some beds in the background. And when you're ready, you can write your answer here for picture number 2. Let's take a look at a third career. What might be the name of what she's doing in the world of work? Sometimes people are creative. They use their imaginations and talents to make things. When you're ready, you can write in the name of what you think she might do here for picture number 3. What is the name or title for what she might do? For extra credit, you can watch the Career Day video on YouTube by the Bazillions. See if you can count how many different careers you see and hear about in the video. When you come back, I'll have a couple follow-up questions for you about talents and interests. If you're ready, here are those questions. The first one says, what are talents? I'd like you to use your brain and see if you can come up with an answer. Talents are things that you are blank at. If you think of someone who's talented, what do you mean by that? Things that you are blank at. And interests. Interests are things you like to. I want you to know that each of us have talents and interests. And sometimes in the world of work, people use their talents and interests in their careers. Remember, it's a great idea to practice being respectful, responsible, and safe every day at school. Because whether it's in 2nd grade or 4th grade or 10th grade, or when you're an adult and you go into the world of work, everyone appreciates respectful, responsible, and safe behavior. Thanks so much for being here for our school counseling lesson on careers. See you soon.